going on, everybody? This is Options Kai. I'm starting my first page here with options trading. I'm using the thinkorswim application, and this is probably one of the best platforms to be able to analyze your trades and try to find the wave, and try to be able to catch the wave. This stock here I'm actually talking about is steel. This is the ticker symbol is X. Ticker symbol there. And what we're trading here, we're watching this wave. We're actually backtracking a trade that happened a couple days back. And what our main focus here is trying to build capital with a limited small account, and to try to maximize our gains with little money. You know what I'm saying? So under $10, $15, $20, how much can we create with maybe $5, $6, $10? Little money, money that most people have. You know, a lot of people are trying to say, hey, I can't invest, I can't buy options, I can't trade stocks because I don't have enough capital. But those are all just limitations and beliefs that I don't believe. I don't believe in limitations. I believe that we can create anything that we put our minds to. And I've been putting my mind to this, and I'm literally trying to manifest abundance. And this is my dream, and this is a dream that I want for everyone also. I want to spread abundance for everyone and show them that we have opportunities out there. We have options. We have option contracts that we can buy and sell. And so this first trade here, I'm going to show you guys what it was, how much it was in the beginning, what one of the contracts were, and show you how much they came out to be later on. So this right here is the day chart. I have it a little zoomed in, but let me zoom it out here for you. I'm going to show you the wave that this steel has created. So this is the wave that it was created before, yeah. And I have my trend lines here. We always have a resistance and support line. This is our support line here at the bottom. Right here around 34 is what it's saying is our support. I don't know if you guys can see that, but 34, yeah. And so up here is our resistance. And so we're trying to catch these waves. And now you see that this right now, what it's doing is pulling back up. So this is called buying the dip. So if we did buy this at the low, we always go long at the bottom and short at the top. So when we go long at the bottom, we buy calls at the bottom here, and we would sell right here at the top. It's all about catching this wave. Imagine if we catch this wave. I'm going to show you how much we can create, how much we can manifest, and how much abundance we can bring to our lives. And this is what we all want. This is what we all need in our lives, is abundance and freedom. You know what I'm saying? So let's get this growing and flowing, man. All right, so we're checking here. This is the 2/12. It says the date right there at the bottom. It is February 12th. This is how we're gonna see. You see how it's breaking down here? It's testing this support level here. It doesn't go through all the way. It ends up wanting to come back up. It always follows a wave. It always goes down somewhat and then comes back up. So we want to get in this wave in the beginning, right? So we're gonna get here the 12th. The 12th, this was trading at $35. The price is there on the left, the right side, and the time is at the bottom. So $35 is what this one here was worth. The stock was trading at $35 here, right then and there, right? So we're going to look back here. We're going to go on the backtrack. I'm going to put in the date right now. Sorry, if it's a little zoomed in, a little tight there, but this is my first video record, and trying to get this thing going. So right here it says the price was trading at $36. This is X. These are simulated trades right here. This is backtracking these trades. We're going to look at the strike price. The strike price you want to look for is this level that it got up to. You see what it says, the 40 level? Around that 40 level is going to be our target. That is our resistance. So this could be a good strike we should look at. Let's check the strike, how much it would be when it was down there at the bottom of that wave. See when it climbs up to the top there. Okay, so at the 40. So right now we're trading at $36. If we bought an out of the money call option, this is what I believe to create the most amount of money, is buying a call option that is out of the money. If you buy something in the money, it's too expensive. You can tell, look at these are $200, $176, $145. We could be buying this 40 call right here for $15, $20. This is the bid, this is the ask. We're gonna buy in between. We'll say we even buy it at $20. So you buy these at $20 now. These are the 23 February. They expire on the 23rd. See, these are all the expirations here. These are the 23rd. So they do expire then. And then we're going to look back at our chart here. When did it rise up? When did it catch that wave? We're going to follow this. How long did it take to get to this 40 level? From the 12th up to here maybe. 4 days it caught to this level. 4 days. we can go even higher and try to say maybe, hey, maybe we want to cash out, we want to ride this wave a little longer. Most of the time, we're not going to stay in a position that long, so most likely we probably close our positions right around the 40 level where we think our resistance are, so that we're 100% hitting these marks all the time and closing these deals, man, filling our options, exercising them correctly. And the way we're going to be doing this is checking the price now. So remember how we were talking about the price was, this is the price for that option. The price for the 40 strike call option at month 23 expiring February 23rd was $20. And then now we're going to input this to ride the wave. The day of the wave, we're going to say we're going to cash out on our position. We're going to say 4 days after. This is the 16th. Right here is the 16th. So from here to here was 4 days. A 4-day bounce. This thing moves. This is very volatile. The markets right now are very volatile. They move a lot. They move crazy. That's why options are wicked awesome. Fucking love that shit. Fucking love that. So we're going to put 16, man, into this. We're going to input that into our system here. So this is the 16th right here. I just plugged it in. The 16th on that side. And now we're trading at $44. So $44 is what we're trading in. That's insane. It rose 10 points. And now look at our strikes here. Look at what our $20 were worth now. Almost $520. From $20 to $520. Those gains are just crazy, and they're happening all the time. This is something that we can capitalize on every time. And pretty soon we're going to see this wave come in here. We're going to see it catch back up to that 40 level pretty soon. And right now, if we go into the trade level here, we're going to go into the trade. We're going to try to find this here. Oops, showing all my information here, not a problem. X. We're going to look up steel. We're going to see what the prices are right now. We don't want the 29th of March as it expires too late. We want something maybe like a couple days. This one moved in 4 days. That big wave was in 4 days. We're going to try to give it a 6 day. We're going to get this one's here. This is a 6 day. We're going to say the 40, look at these 40 calls. They're so cheap. They're too cheap right now. They're actually too cheap that they're kind of risky because maybe we want to give it a little more time for us. So maybe we're going to buy these 13 Aprils. Let's look at the 40s. They're still wicked cheap. So I'm saying we could probably pick these up at $20 a piece. But why not picking them up at maybe $23, whatever. So if it does pick up for that, if we do pick them up at $23, another way to calculate how much it could be is we see how much it's at the money now. Right now we're at the money at $1.57. So that's basically saying if we're at the trading level of $35 now, you see that in the corner there, 35 last. If we get into the money where this highlighted area is in the money, we will be worth from $23 to $157 on one contract. From this, we'll rise to this if the underlying stock gets to 40 in maybe a couple days or a day. But also there is time decay, so we might minus maybe 20 cents. So this thing could go around $1.30, $1.40. So either way, we're making 5-6 times our money all the time when we can capitalize on these gains. So there's really tons of ways to trade options, and I just want people to know that we can jump on these waves, capitalize them. There's always consistency in the market, and this is how real people are making real money in this day and age. And I just want everyone to know that there are options out there, and we don't need a lot of capital to be able to invest and create millions. So yeah, this is Kai Guy, and yeah, Options Kai, taking care of business, baby. See you guys later.